Hi friends, welcome to EasyMS Tech. This is part 8 of ASP.NET C#. In this part we will discuss there is a grid of product information. These are the column heading. I am showing product name, start price, catalog name and display order of some products in the grid from this table of this database MICDB. The name of the table name is products. There are 4 records. And now I want to give user an option to show these records of database in a grid view, and I want user to delete at least one record at a time. And when the user will click this delete option, the browser will show a alert message. If there is any checkbox checked or not, that will be the first alert message. If no checkbox has been selected and user has clicked delete option, then a message will be displayed, an alert message, and it will say please select at least one record. Now suppose user has checked one record or two records and click delete, then will show a confirmation message to user that are you sure to delete these records. If the user confirms, then the delete operation, actual delete operation will be occurred. Currently these records are there in the grid, and if we click the delete button, no action is executing, nothing is happening. If we click the delete, nothing is happening. If we select a checkbox and click the delete button, nothing is happening. So we have to implement that functionality. Let us go to Visual Studio. Let us go to the button. This is the button BT and delete, and here we'll implement on client click event equal to, let us give the name of the function as status check. Check the status, check for checked the record, at least one record is checked or not. Then we'll check will confirmation message, will show you the confirmation message, then we'll finally delete from the database. Okay, let us write the function. Let us write down the script tag. Okay, function, we're writing a JavaScript function. This is the name of the function. I have already written the code. Let us copy it, then we'll discuss thoroughly. When we'll click the delete button, this function will be, client side function will be executed. Here what we have done, this is the ID of the grid view. This is the grid. So we are taking the ID of the client ID of the grid view to this variable GB. Then we are collecting all the tag having input of type input and storing in this variable. Then on this collection of input type tag, we are checking if the type is checkbox, then we are checking, we are assigning that checked status is true, means one record has been selected, and then we are just getting out of the loop. If is checked equal to false, if no record has been selected, then we are saying if please select at least one record, otherwise we are writing this function confirm, are you sure you want to delete these records? If the user gives confirm message, click confirm, then this part will be executed, otherwise simply will return false. And this is the function, this is double underscore you have to type. This is not single underscore, this is double underscore you have to write here, and this is the control name, and this is the argument or parameter you have to type. any name you can give. Okay. This means when the user will confirm the delete operation, then a postback will happen and the parameter will be del record. This will check in the code behind page here this way. This way will check request underscore event argument equal del record. Then we are writing one function and this function will be executed. Let us go to the function. So here we are executing a loop on the grid. Number of records we have counted. This count gives the number of records in the grid view, and then we are looping on the grid product ID. Okay, we are finding the control CS key selected. If it is checked, then we are collecting the product ID, we're getting the product ID, and there is a start procedure delete products using the product ID which is the identifier unique primary key of the table. Using that product ID we are deleting that record, then we are showing deleted successfully. Successful message we are showing. So let us save it and build it, then let us see what happens, it works or not. Build is in progress. Let us wait until the build gets complete. Okay, build is succeeded. Now let us go to the browser and refresh the page. The page is refreshing yet. Sorry. Okay, it has refreshed. Now let us click delete first. See what message it shows. It is showing please select at least one record. This means it is working fine. Next we'll select one record and then click delete. I'm selecting this one, then click delete. Are you sure you want to delete this record? Yes. Okay, I am confirming that I want to delete this record. Okay, nothing is happening. Let us see. There is some mistake. Okay, the script manager control will require whenever we use do postback function, then we have to include script manager control. This is one way. Other way also we can do. We'll see the other way also. First let us see if we take script manager control, it works or not. Let us save it. Let us save the page and again refresh the browser. Okay, now let us check one record and click delete. So this is the confirmation message. I am confirming. Okay, deleted successfully. There are 4 records in the database. Let us see if one has been deleted or not. Yes, one has been deleted successfully, means the code is working. So this is one way. Another way also we can do the same thing. Let us remove the script manager control from here, Control C, and we will include another button, btnb button. The ID is btnb. Client ID mode we have to put static and style is display none. Okay, and this button ID we have to put here. Okay, and in the code behind we have to write this statement: client script dot get postback event reference button B is the button ID and string dot empty. Okay, let us save it and build it again and see this way it works or not. So the same thing we can do to different way. One way is using the help of script manager control, and other one by writing another button and including this code in the code behind. Okay, build succeeded. Let us go to the browser and refresh the page again. Without selecting, let us first click the delete button. Please select at least one record. Okay, let us select one record and click delete. So are you sure you want to delete this record? Yes. Okay, deleted successfully. So both the way it is working. There is 2 records now. So depending on your scenario, you can use whichever way works for you. Hope this video will help you in your project. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, get this kind of video. Please comment if you need the source code of this functionality. I will share accordingly. Please subscribe to my channel. Definitely subscribe to my channel to encourage me so that I can publish this type of video more proactively. Thank you. Have a good day.